Davis, and I am here with my model Tara, and we're getting ready to have some fun. And just to show you guys a really quick haircut that I love to do, we're gonna do her from start to finish here, and just to give you some tips on what to do and what not to do when styling relaxed hair. She has a relaxer, and what products we like to use. Okay, so stay tuned and click, share, like. All right, bye. On this client, I am using the coconut milk shampoo and conditioner, which is great for protecting the hair from loss of protein. So this is a great choice for your clients who are relaxed. It's from the It's Natural line from Influance. Okay, so now we've done those steps, and now we're getting ready to present you with a beautiful haircut. Stay tuned. Let's go. One of my favorite products to use is the It's Natural Honey Almond Leave-In Conditioner. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's lightweight. It keeps the hair shiny, bouncy, and it's just great for repairing and detangling the hair. So I am using the clipper over comb technique. I did that because I just did not want to do shear over comb. It was just a preference for saving time. It's one of my favorite techniques, but it also just does things a little bit quicker. It's a little bit faster, and it's a little bit cleaner. So that's why I chose clipper over comb. We're going in now and setting up just the foundation for the cut. We are doing a page boy cut. So everything is to that guideline. We're cutting all the hair to that guideline, and we're going to be cutting it in a circle. So stay tuned. We have some more texturizing techniques that we're going to do inside of this haircut. So one of the things that I love to do specifically when trying to get rid of weight in a haircut is I love using vertical and horizontal lines and partings. I do. It's no greater way to get rid of a weight line than vertical partings and to go in and clean up a cut. I absolutely love it. So that's one of my favorite techniques, is to go in with vertical partings and horizontal partings, and just to get out the weight, the unwanted weight. Sorry guys that you can't see everything that I'm doing. We didn't realize that the camera was all off until the last minute, but we're working on it. So what I'm doing here is I'm going in and I'm doing some slide cutting just to take out a little bit more bulk, a little bit more weight, just so when we go in to style it with our flat irons that it will have a little bit more texture to it when we style it. So we are going in with one of my all-time favorite foams. It's natural honey almond styling foam. It is absolutely phenomenal. It is lightweight. It does not leave residue. It gives the hair shine. It makes it bouncy. This is definitely a product that you want to invest in. I guarantee you, you will love it. So we are taking our neck strips and we are making sure that this hair in the back is absolutely flat. I know people don't, but we do. And so here we are with our finished result from our mold. We molded the back and the sides. Didn't want to add too much foam to the top just so I could keep it bouncy. It was already blow dried. So we're just going to go in with our spray, our S3 spray. And we're going to use a little bit of holding spray to take it through. Spray it on my hands, put it through. And then we're going to go in and start flat ironing. Now, the one thing with relaxed hair, you do not want to have the flat iron too high. The hair is already straight. I don't care how much product you have on it. You do not want to over process already processed hair. So I always recommend not doing above 400 degrees for relaxed hair. I know for some people that may be a little bit higher, but when you have textured hair with someone with, you know, maybe coarse hair or their hair is textured, then you do have to consider that. Texture does make a difference with how much heat you can and cannot use. So for the professionals, of course, use at your own discretion, and you know what your clients can and cannot handle. For those that aren't professionals, I will tell you, do not, I repeat, do not go above 400 at home. Do not practice this at home. I will also recommend that anytime you are flat ironing your hair, you always want to go in with a heat protectant. The S3 serum, the S3 spray, and the holding spray, the firm holding spray from Influance are absolutely wonderful products to make sure that you are not over processing the hair. They add measures of heat protection to the hair. So you never want to go in with a flat iron without some buffer on the hair, ever. So we have finished our flat ironing, and I am now going in with my feather comb and finger placement and styling our cut. A really good cut. You don't have to do too much to it. So cleaning up her ends, making sure that, you know, everything in the front is lined up, it's clean, not any pieces out of place. Cleaning her up. And now we're gonna go in just a few with our honey almond paste, control paste, which is absolutely phenomenal for creating texture. So you use this product, you emulsify it in the hands, and you use this product on dry hair. So you take it and you put it throughout the hair, and the cut will be, you can see the details a little bit better of the cut with this product. And it's a workable paste. It leaves no residue. It's absolutely phenomenal. And we are done. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys. Bye.